Alright guys, welcome back to seeing what's inside our logs. We got day 5 for you. Snagged this log out of the lumber yard this morning. We got 24-inch diameter on this side, 25 inches. Gets a little wider in the middle and tapers off on the end. Weird shaped log, 10 feet long. What I think is a black locust. I could be totally wrong. It's kind of hard when they're not standing and they're full of mud in the yard. But I cut the two ends off, and super hard wood, which black locust is. But there's only one way to find out, and that's slicing into it. So let's get to it and see what's in the inside. Well, that's a wrap on day 5 of seeing what's inside our logs. I do believe it is a black locust. Someone please correct me if I'm wrong. Little fun fact about black locust is it's one of the very few hardwoods in North America that can last 50 plus years outside with any chemical treatment. And then the Janka hardness of black locust, I believe it's like 1700 IBF. So super dense wood, very cool grain on it. But yeah, that's day 5. Hope to see you guys day 6. Cheers guys.